Should I cover my outdoor air conditioning unit in winter? No, you should not fully cover your outdoor air conditioning unit in winter, because sealing it up all the way traps moisture inside and that can lead to rust and mold growing on important parts. But placing a simple flat cover or a piece of plywood on just the top is actually a smart move. Think of your air conditioning unit like a little metal box with lots of tiny parts inside that hate getting wet and cold air trapped against them for months at a time. When people wrap the whole unit in plastic or a big tarp, they think they are protecting it, but really they are creating a cozy little home for moisture, bugs, and even mice to hide in during the cold months. The coils and wires inside can actually rust faster when moisture gets trapped with nowhere to escape. What most people do not know is that leaving the sides open lets air flow through naturally, which keeps the unit dry while covering only the top block's falling leaves, ice, and snow from building up and causing damage. This simple trick can save you a repair bill of a few $100s when spring comes around. A good rule of thumb is to use a breathable cover, never plastic, and always remove it before turning the unit back on. One common mistake is wrapping the entire unit tightly, thinking it protects it from cold weather, when air conditioning units are actually built to handle freezing temperatures just fine, since they sit outside all year anyway. Another mistake is forgetting to remove the cover in spring, which can cause the system to overheat or get damaged the moment it turns back on, so always set a reminder for the first warm day. A lot of homeowners also do not realize that plants and shrubs growing too close to the unit trap moisture just like a cover would, so trimming anything within 2 feet keeps the airflow clean and healthy. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.